So the Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack 9mm is built around Tisas forged 4140 carbon steel slide, frame, and 4140 forged and machined black Cerakoted carbon steel threaded barrel. So today, I would like to bring you the Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack, chambered in 9mm. Stand by, y'all. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack is equipped with a molded, textured, reinforced polymer and glass-filled grip module. It has non-aggressive checkering on the front and rear. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack is also equipped with a removable aluminum magazine well. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack is equipped with a black Cerakoted trigger. It is advertised as having a 4 3/4 pound trigger pull. The frame and slide of the Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack has a beautiful platinum gray Cerakote finish. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack is approximately 9.3 inches long, 5.7 inches high, and 1.5 inches wide. Unloaded, the Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack weighs approximately 35 ounces. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack comes equipped with two 17-round capacity metal checkmate magazines, Military Armament Corps or MAC, STI, and Staccato 2011 magazines are also compatible with the Night Stalker. The Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack comes optic ready. You can direct mount a RMSC or a Holosun 507K footprint optic. I have removed the optics plate and installed the Holosun 507K red dot as you see here. Although I have installed the Holosun 507K, the factory sights are outstanding. There is a Glock dovetail serrated black dot rear sight and a tritium green and orange dot front sight. The sights offer a lower 1/3 cold witness with most optics. So the Tisas 1911 Night Stalker Double Stack is truly a remarkable firearm. It blends classic design with modern enhancements. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, this pistol offers impressive features that cater to a range of shooting preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Black Guns and Gardens out.